shims from a supplier and they're unassembled. What am I gonna do? Explore the Big Orange Store. But Fox, whenever I go to the Big Orange Store, I spend a lot of money. This is America. The bees need saving, no matter the cost. I went to Rossman's and bought pieces, unassembled. The fine print said it. And I don't have an air stapler. So what do? Air staplers need air compressors. I'm kind of lost for that. So I have to go. And why don't you come along with me to the Orange Store so I can assemble my shims. Thanks for the appearance, Mr. Fox. The Fox says to go to the Orange Store. 6 miles into town, and we're at Orange Store. It really is orange. So let's go in and see what kind of things I can buy. And of course I'm distracted by the lovely garden center all the time. So I gotta stop and look at the garden center things. Uh-oh, I'm blocking a guy from getting into the first lot in the whole place. Very organized. I'd feel better if these were certified non-neonicotinoid. But first thing I picked up had the same tag as always that said treated. Can you see it? Oh, I mean, tempting, very tempting. Apart from, can you read it? They won't even focus on it. Keep on looking. Tough choices. At least I don't need a lot for 2 shims. Linoleum nails? Which plate? Nope. Cabinet nails. Well, it's not a bad day. Couple plants. Looking around for plants. Yep. Plants. Going to the Home Depot store is my Achilles heel sometimes. Lots of money spending, but people watching is fun. We had a man in the tool aisle who was swinging an axe like it was a barbell for exercising. Wasn't really looking for who was behind him either. So it takes all sorts around here in the boonies. But successfully I've picked up some 5/8 inch brads to attach everything together. So, tomato. Mexican heather, sage, and here are wire brads. Oh no, I think I left my pieces in the store. Oh shoot. I'm so excited about my trip to the town, I almost left my pieces for the shims behind. That would have been tragic. So, thank goodness for remembering what I really came to the store for. maybe I'll go home and maybe I'll do a inspection after all. There we go. Now we've got everything, including the brads. So, yay! And besides the plants, I also treated myself to a sharpener. Spent way too long at the Home Depot, and while I was away, my Brushy Mountain Bee Farm order came in with beetle blasters, and they packaged it so nice, and a manipulation cloth. Excuse me. And it's now 3 p.m. and I'm debating whether to go into the hive or wait, because the ladies that told me they would only be out parking in the parking space visiting next door for an hour have now been there 3 hours, and Mom doesn't like them in that spot, and I told them it was okay. So now they're in a spot where I would normally be and close to the hive. If I were to open it, there'd be stray bees. So I'm debating whether to do it today or tomorrow, but I just heard the Weather Channel saying stray showers tomorrow, so it would have been nice if they had left when they said they would, but they haven't, so we'll see what happens. Alrighty, here's the first shim. Went together alright. Got a little bit crazy on one of my holes that went too far in to the corner, so I've got a lifetime supply of these brads, it seems. I could make hundreds of shims. Now I gotta move on to number 2 shim and the box. So far so good. It's together, it's got some glue. And I guess this will just be my afternoon, is assembling these in the box and putting together a new swarm trap to go in the woods. So won't do an inspection today. It's too many people next door with the lady, so on to number 2 shim. Here is the finished shims, and they're drying, so they're ready to go. And I also put together my Kelly box that I picked up at the state beekeeping meeting for South Carolina and North Carolina combined. They gave me a nice deal on it, so I bought it, and we're going to turn it into some sort of swarm catching box, I think. It's always good to have another box on hand, and a couple of shims with the fancy opening. Yep, there'll probably be some better temps tomorrow, 80s. Although it's possibly going to rain, they kind of have this thing where it's going to rain if it gets hot out. So we'll pick up installing some frames, finding out what's going on with the brood after 2 weeks, or a week and a half now. So in the box, I hope there's, what do you say, comb, and I'm not sure there is yet. I can't see any through the top. I'm starting to see through the bees in the frames and see the bottom screen, so this is not a good thing. I'm not liking how many bees are being lost a day, so it's a game of attrition against the age of the bees coming in and going out, and not knowing that there's any eggs being laid yet is a little bit creepy. So hopefully this has been something that I can, hopefully it'll look great. That's all I'm hoping for. So thanks for coming along with me to Home Depot, the orange store. This is not a Home Depot promotion video. Alright, so thanks for coming along, and we'll do another video later. Bye. Thanks for watching.